Hello and welcome to Ajay's to Money Guru, your go-to source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the world of commodities. I am Tushar Jain and today we are diving into some exciting developments in the pulses market with focus on Solapur and Burma. So let's get started. We begin our journey in the bustling Solapur pulses market where we have witnessed some notable price movements. Tuar and Urad prices are taking the spotlight while Chana stands steady. In Solapur, the pink variety of tuar has seen a significant rise in prices. It's up by around 200 rupees per quintal, now trading in the range of 9500 to 12100 rupees. The market reported arrivals of 2 truckloads for this specific tuar variety. However, there have been no arrivals for the Maruti tuar and the GRG 811 tuar variety. The reason behind this surge in the tuar prices, it's the strong demand that's drawing millers into the pulses market. Shifting our focus to chana, we see a different story. Milk quality chana prices have remained unchanged, trading in the range of 5000 to 5950 rupees per quintal. Similarly, Annagiri chana prices have stayed steady, quoting within the range of 5600 to 6150 rupees per quintal. The market has witnessed the arrival of just 1 truckload of chana today, matching the arrival figure from the previous trading day. And finally, we have urad, where the market saw the arrival of 1 truckload of new urad despite limited arrivals and demand. Urad prices have increased by 100 rupees per quintal. They are now trading in the range of 7000 to 9500 rupees per quintal, a mixed bag of results in Solapur, but clearly market dynamics are at play. Now let's make our way to the fascinating pulses market in Burma. The opening session in this market has shown remarkable stability in urad prices on CNF terms. The local currency calculations also reflect consistency in the Yangon market. Lemon tuar prices have remained steady at $1450 per metric ton on CNF basis. In terms of local currency, this particular variety is listed at 41 lakh per metric ton on free on board basis. The consistency here is quite remarkable. Next up, we have SQ Urad. Its prices have also shown no fluctuations, remaining at $1150 per metric ton on CNF basis in the pulses market. In the Yangon market, the local currency valuation of SQ Urad remains steady at 28,90,000 per metric ton on free on board basis. These consistent prices on CNF terms are certainly noteworthy. Finally, FAQ Urad prices have followed suit, showing no significant changes. They continue to stand at $1045 per metric ton on CNF basis in the Burma pulses market. In the Yangon market, the local currency valuation is quoted at 26,40,000 kyats per metric ton on free on board basis, with prices remaining unchanged. And there you have it, the latest insights from the pulses market in Solapur and Burma. It's clear that these markets are driven by diverse factors, and understanding these dynamics is crucial for anyone involved in commodities. Stay tuned to Ajay's to Money Guru for more in-depth analysis and updates on world of commodities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, this is Tushar Jain signing off. Thank you for watching.